Hi, this is Jim Whitaker, and in these two videos I'm going to show you how to create and send your own messages using your Real Magnet email service provider, which is the same email service provider we use to send out your SmartsPro client newsletters. In part 1, I'll cover how to create a message, and in part 2, I'll show you how to send it out. So let's assume that you've already logged into your Real Magnet account. First thing you do is click on Messages. And in the box that says Create New Message, title of your message, and click Go. Now here you have a couple of options. You can select one of these templates here, and on your screen you're going to see Blank and News Manager, and you should choose Blank. But before we do that, I just want to show you the template library, because there are a number of very fancy templates that you'll see are very much like the types of templates that you would get in a Constant Contact program, for example. So let's click on Business here, and you can see here a little bit, I think, how elaborate some of these layouts can be. And you can choose any of these. First of all, you might want to preview something, in which case it will open up the template in another browser window, so you can examine it more closely and decide whether this is the one that you want to use. But anyway, we're going to go back and use a blank template instead of one of these more elaborate templates. And you can either compose your own message here, or if you've already written your message in, say, Word, you can copy and paste that in. And I'm going to do that here just to show you how that works. There are a couple of ways to paste that in, and you'll see here when you hover over these various clipboards that your options are to paste with formatting, paste as plain text, or paste from Word. And in this case, I'm going to paste from Word. So I'm going to click on this icon, and here I get a little edit box, and I'm going to paste my offer right in here, and this will help translate it into the language that Real Magnet needs in order to set up the email. So I click OK, and here it formats my message. So a couple of things to remember: once you've got it laid out the way you want, you first have to save it. And then, of course, you can preview it if you like, and it will open it in a separate window and show you what your email is going to look like. Come back, though, and be sure to go next to the Edit Text box, because, as you know, not everyone has their email browser set to read in HTML. Some people just want to read text. They don't want the HTML to appear. So you've got to make sure that your message is laid out in text as well. So you want to check this out and make sure it looks the way you want, make any changes, and be sure to save that. They also offer, Real Magnet, a mobile web version. So the third step is to go in and take a look at the mobile web version, and you can read through the notes here about some of the tips that they give you here for setting up your mobile web version. And again, once you're satisfied with that, you click Save. You can preview any of these when you want by clicking Preview over here, and again, it'll open it in a different window. So now you're set. Your message is ready to go out, and just to give it one more check, what you might want to do is click on this last item here in the sidebar that says Send Message to Individual, and send it to yourself, and see what it looks like in your own email box, and whether you've addressed all the different styling details that you want to appear in your message. So here you would just type in your own email address. The From field is going to default to the email addresses that you have in your account, and then of course give it a subject line, click Submit, and that'll arrive in your email box, and you can give it a final look, come back, make the adjustments, and you'll be ready to send it out to whatever groups you have. And I'll cover that in the next video. Thanks for watching.